Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire our 60-watt LED drivers. Shown is the alternative shape of the LC model. Remove the covers. Now wire AC to the input. Note we do not need an earth as 60 watt is a class 2 driver, double isolated. Here we wire the dimmer switch to the driver. Please check the datasheet for supported dimmers. Also check the dimmer manufacturer's installation instructions as each are different. The output will flash strobe if the load is greater than 60 watts. Now insert the wired dimmer switch into the receptacle box. And finally, time to test. Turn to full, then dim slowly. With modern digital dimmers like Insteon 2477D, the minimum dim level and speed is set by the dimmer switch. Thank you for watching.